You're gonna get in trouble for this.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another one. Today we got a little something special for Stegosaurus, but before we get into that, I am Gold Pony. I review cars on YouTube and recently purchased Stegosaurus behind me here. But today we are at Mudge's Auto Body and we are going to be putting an X-pipe on Stegosaurus behind me here. So I'm pretty excited about this one. This should be fun. So let's get inside because I'm about a half hour late and that's not good. So here we go.
Oh, you got H in there? Oh, you got that? What?
Just a big old resonator under there.
You're gonna get in trouble for this. I just got pulled over from my exhaust being straight. That's gonna be loud.
Type go to YouTube.
I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and zippity zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't care.
Yeah, we make one cut to just get it out of there, and then we set it up in there. Get a better fitment. And make the finals. Huh?
Makes sense.
Yeah. Now they're not cut it short.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, so this is the stock resonator. Of course, this is going to shed about only like 18 pounds from the actual GT here, but it has done more than just the weight savings. This is going to free up a little bit of horsepower. It's also going to sound like a beast, hopefully, after we are done here. And of course, I will give you guys that exhaust clip after we're done, so I'm looking forward to it. This is going to be fun. My miniature. We are all done here, wrapping it up, about to leave. Big thanks to Mudge's Auto Body for hooking me up with this amazing install. They are indeed perfectionists, so that is why I went here. I played football with Justin back in the day. He knew more about the other team before the game than anybody else on the team. The work ethic is why I came here, and they got it done. So you guys, this is going to be a fun drive home. I'm going to grab some t-shirts, and we're going to roll out. There we go. Gosh, this car is fast. All right, so the sound of the X-pipe is brilliant, especially at the higher RPM range. Does give it a little more crackle, a little more rasp, but it is more than just the sound. Like I was saying, this is going to add a little bit of horsepower, and it is an 18-pound weight reduction if you have a 15 through 19 Mustang GT. And again, huge thanks to Mudge's Auto Body in Finksburg, Maryland. If you guys are in the Maryland or Southern PA area, definitely check them out. They truly are perfectionists, which I love, and that's why I wanted to go there to start with, because I knew Justin's work ethic. So I, of course, had to choose them to do this. This is the first mod of many. I do have the wheels and tires still hanging out of my garage, so be sure you subscribe because that is going to be a fun video as well, I'm sure. And did I mention lowering springs as well? I can't forget them. And of course, I'm going to be doing the tint and the badging on this thing. And so, but now some of the details you guys are probably looking for. I actually got the X-pipe from CJ Pony Parts. It was their cheapest one, and I actually got it for $20, believe it or not. Here's why. One piece of advice I can give you guys, if you are looking to modify any sort of car, if you stick with the same company that you're getting all your products from, you can actually save a decent amount of money. Reason being is because I got my wheels from CJ Pony Parts, and they have something called an RPM club. So I accumulated kind of bonus points, so to speak, which equated to $100 when I purchased the X-pipe. So instead of paying $120 for it, I ended up paying $20. And I believe it was the aluminized steel one as opposed to the stainless steel, which is going to hold up a little bit better over time. But in the end, no matter which steel you go with, they are eventually going to rust either way. So I really didn't see the point in spending the extra money for stainless steel when they're both going to rust in the end anyways. But so yeah, that was my logic with that at least. But we got a straightaway here, you guys. You know what that means. I love this car. I freaking freaking love this car, I swear. Super happy with the X-Pipe that I got put on here today. I know some of you guys are probably gonna say, why didn't you install it yourself? Well, a couple of reasons. I don't have a lift and I didn't have a jack that I would feel comfortable getting underneath of propping the car up. Another reason, I didn't have a Sawzall, so also couldn't be making the cut part of the cut and clamp, so it just wouldn't have happened essentially. As always, appreciate you guys watching. Be sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out Mudget's Auto Body. And I'm gonna end this one with an amazing exhaust clip. I'm gonna mount the GoPro on the back, and let's just enjoy this thing a little bit here. Shut up! Shut up, navigation. Stop it! Where are we? I don't keep spitting on myself.